Okay, here is a partial restoration that we did for John Schwab, and he had pretty decent sheet metal, so we left all the original paint. We kind of buffed it out a little bit, made it a little bit shiny. All the original paint on the fenders, toolboxes, and side covers, so you can see it's all faded out. Tank is still pretty nice. It still has the Usate Oleo shell. And we just got it together, roadworthy. Put the turn signals on for them. Speedo tacks seem to work okay. So we restored the front end, put Civilian Lucas turn signals on it, rebuilt the wheels, our nice little brass spokes, and big bore motor. Yeah, there we go, blasted. So we'll do some running pictures. She's up and running now, but I just figure I'll do a little quickie, get an idea what it looks like. Polish the rear drive. We left the original mufflers, left the original headers, and he may in the next year or two send it back to us, and we may do the sheet metal. And the frame was restored also, so it's got a new harness, new wire harness, new frame. Right now we've got a single seat on it. We are rebuilding a double seat for him, so he wants the double seat, so we'll put that on. But anyways, there we go. And got his Yamaha 209 turn signal switch. Speedo tag. It looks pretty damn nice, really. So there she is. And we got to put some miles on before we deliver it. So, all right, thanks for checking it out.